Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not about hair today. If you are new to my channel, I normally make curly hair videos, but today we're going to be doing a little bit of fashion, okay? Fashion. Put a passion. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Black Friday, what type of deals I was able to get. So I normally don't participate in Black Friday. This is actually my first time ever doing Black Friday. And I took advantage of 3 different companies' Black Friday deals. So I'm going to show you those today.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building.
And that is all the shopping that I did for Black Friday. So I'm a little curious. Did you guys do any shopping for Black Friday? That's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me online here, watching my video. You know, you already know how I feel about time. I mean, unless you're new, then you don't know. But, you know, we only have a little bit of it, and you don't ever get it back. So it's really, really appreciated when you guys spend your time watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these, I can do more of them because it was pretty fun. But if you didn't like it, I understand. I will stick to my curly hair videos. So please just let me know, should I do these a little more often or just cut it like it wasn't good? I don't know. You let me know. But that's a wrap, and I will catch you guys in the next video.